wonder where pine cones come from? Why are they such an important part of the forest? I was taking a walk looking for pine cones and I noticed these on the trees. And I also found some on the ground. But I noticed that these look a little different than the ones in the trees. What do you think happened to these pine cones? Plants and trees that have cones are called conifers. And examples of conifers include pine trees, fir trees, and cedar trees. All conifers have needles and the cones have seeds inside of them. Let's look at some examples of the cones that we have here in our collection. This cone is from a Coulter pine. This is the largest type of pine cone, and it's also very heavy. This is a sugar pine, and it's the longest type of cone. But we also have cones like these. This one here is from a coast redwood, which from the seeds in this cone grow the tallest types of trees. And this one is a sequoia. This, from the seeds in this cone, make the largest type of trees. Now with the pine cones that we collected, we can make crafts, including this owl that I've made from pine cone. And also you could make a pine cone bird feeder and you can give them as gifts. So let's get started and we can make this craft. To make our pine cone craft, first we use a pine cone and then we need to cut a piece of string to tie onto the pine cone so that it will hang in the branch. Next, we will use vegetable shortening to smear onto the pine cone so that the bird seed can stick. Then you'll have your shortening on your pine cone and you can roll your pine cone in the bird seed. And finally, you'll end up with a pine cone bird feeder that you can hang in a branch so our birds can enjoy.
When you go out for a fall or winter walk, look for pine cones in your neighborhood.